GATE 2019 Civil Engineering Set 2 Question 24. The command area of a canal grows only one crop, that is wheat. The base period of wheat is 120 days and its total water requirement delta is 40 centimeters. If the canal discharges 2 meter cube per second, the area in hectares rounded off to the nearest integer which could be irrigated, neglecting all losses, needs to be found. The relevant NPTEL reference has been cited. If we are given a crop field where crops are grown and water is being supplied to this field for irrigation purpose at the rate of Q meter cube per second. So the total quantity of water that will be supplied, let us indicate it by S, will be given by Q into the number of days which we have supplied the water for, as this is a crop which will be grown for certain number of days, which is called its base period, B days. So Q into B. But B is in days and Q is in units of seconds. So we need to convert days into seconds, which will be given by 24 hours. Each hour has 60 minutes and each minute has 60 seconds. So this would give the value as Q into B into 86400, which is the number of seconds in a day. This will be the quantity in meter cube units. This is our first equation. Secondly, we can find the storage by using the relation that if the field is of a area A, which is in hectares, and we need to maintain a certain depth of water in the field for irrigation, which is called as delta, that will be in meters. So using the product of A times delta, we can also obtain the quantity of water S that is needed. But here area is in hectares, so we need to convert it to square meters using the conversion factor of 10 to the power 4. This would give S as A times delta into 10 to the power 4 in meter cube units. This will be our second equation. So if we compare the first and second equation, as the left side is the same, we would get the relation as delta is given by 8.64 into the base period B by the duty D. Here duty is given as the ratio of the area in hectares that is irrigated divided by the discharge rate in meter cubes per second. In this question we have been given the base period as 120 days. The discharge rate is 2 meter cube per second. Delta has been given as 40 centimeters. We will convert this delta to meter units, that will be 0.4 meters. As we saw the relation in previous slide, which is given by D is 8.64 into base period by delta, which will be 8.64 times the base period in this case is 120 and delta is 0.4 in meters. This would give the duty value as 2592. The units of duty is generally expressed in hectare per cubic units. As we saw in previous slide, duty is nothing but the ratio of area in hectares to the discharge in meter cube per second, which is 2592 in this case. Using this, the area in hectares will be 2592, that is the duty value in hectares per cubic into discharge, that is 2 cubics. This would give the area of the field that can be irrigated as 5184 hectares. This can be left as it is, as the question instructs to find the answer rounded off to nearest integer. So the command area of a canal grows only one crop. The delta, canal discharge and base period were given. The area in hectares that can be irrigated was found out as 5184 hectares. The relevant NPTEL reference has been cited.